Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how you can use Butler, or more accurately, Trello's built-in automation, so let's jump right into it. First, open your Trello board and head to the top right where you'll see the automation button. Click on it, and you'll find options like rules, buttons, and email reports. Let's begin with rules. Click Create Rule and first choose a trigger, for example, when the green label is added to a card by me. Then, add an action like move the card to the top of the in progress list. Click Save, and your rule is live. Now, when you add that green label to any card, Trello will automatically move it, no extra steps needed. You can also build custom buttons for quick manual actions. Go to Buttons, click Create Button, name it something like Move to Progress, pick an icon, then choose your action, for example, move the card to the top of the in progress list. Hit Save. Now, every time you click that button on a card, it performs that action instantly.